How to install AutoCAD 2018 version, LT version in Mac. So first of all, go to Safari, then over here type Autodesk student and click return. Then go to this website www.autodesk.com, student and education software 1 year license. Click over here. Now first of all, click on sign in. And if you're watching this first, and if you are watching this and you don't have Autodesk, or you don't have the knowledge of Autodesk, then first of all you have to click on create account. Then you have to fill all the informations like name, email, confirm email, and the password. You have to fill your password and create account, and it will ask your details. You have to fill up that details, and after you have created one account, go here and click sign in the there it will be a sign in option, and then type your Gmail, click next, then type your password. Then the password you have done for the Autodesk, not the Gmail password. Then it will sign in. Now just scroll down, and there will be one option of there will be all the things over here, all the apps. And now first of all you have to go AutoCAD for Mac, click on get started. It will again ask for your Gmail, click next, and take your password and click on sign in. Now after that, this will tell you that you can now download AutoCAD. So again it will say get Autodesk software, then scroll down, AutoCAD for Mac, click on get product, version select 2018 English and Mac, then click download, and it will start downloading. As I have already downloaded, so I will not download it again. And after downloading it will take some time depending on your internet connection. So I have this file over here. After then this box will open, Autodesk AutoCAD 2018 for Mac installation. Click on this .pkg file, double click on it, then it will open the installer. Click allow, then again click allow, then click continue, then click continue and agree. And this is the destination you have to select. How do you want to install this software? Install for all users of this computer, then click continue. And this will take 1.84 GB of your space, so you must have this much space available in your like Mac. And then click on install. Now it will ask your the computer password you have saved, so I will type my password and I will click on install software. Now it will take some time, just a few seconds, and it will install. So it is installed now, and it will say the installation was successful. Now just click on close, and it will say you can just move it to bin. and click on move to bin, and now cross this. Now if you want to keep this over here, then you can keep, or just right click over here and click eject. Done. Now here there will be one option of launchpad over here if you have brought your Mac newly, and if there is not there, then there will be launchpad, or just you can just go to the finder, then go to applications, and now it should show the AutoCAD, or if it is not showing, then just click command space and type AUTO AutoCAD 2018. click over here, command space you have to type. That is called the spotlight search. To navigate somewhere very quickly, you have to just type command space, and now it is opening AutoCAD 2018. It will also take some time. Let it open. Now it is saying needs to be updated. So if you just want the AutoCAD 2018, you don't have to update this. So let me open it again. Okay, so now we have this, and I will just click on OK, and click on OK, and it will start loading. The first that it said update, you don't have to click on update, you have to just click on learn more, then it will just close, and right click over here and click on force quit, then you have to open it again. So now let's get started. This one is the enter a serial number, use a network license, and sign in. So from here it is yours. Now you have to take that, you have to see to the trial, or you have to if you have your serial number and you are installing AutoCAD in your Mac, so you can just type your serial number. If I click on enter a serial number, it will just load a minute. So AutoCAD licensing, it will open it, and let me just bring it to front. Let me minimize this. Okay, so now you have to click on I agree, then you have to click activate. Now serial number and the product key that you have to click over here, and then click next, and then it will be activated. Now I don't want this, so I will close all these. And this one keystroke receiving, click on open system preferences, and click on here, click the lock to unlock changes, and now you have to type your password. If you don't if you have the fingerprint, then you can, if you have password, then you can type your password. I will type my password over here and click unlock, and now accept this, and just close this out. Now successfully AutoCAD is installed in your computer. Now you have to just enter your serial number and the license serial number and the product key, that if you have installed it previously and you have buy it. So thanks for watching. I'll meet you next time.